children, today's topic is successor and predecessor. Children, let's start a new topic, successor and predecessor. How do you write successor and predecessor? Today we will teach you. First, you have to learn definition of successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. To find the successor of a number, we add 1 to it. Now look, definition of predecessor. The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. To find the predecessor, we subtract 1 from it. Okay? Examples of successor. If we simply add 1 to any given number, we will get its successor. So, in example 1, given number 19. When 1 is added to 19, its successor. That is 20. Okay. Similarly, in example number 2, given number is 230. 1 is added to 230. Answer is Answer is 231, which is successor of 230. Now look example 3. 1 is added, given number is 2958. If 1 is added to 2958, answer will be 2959, which is successor of 2958. It means by adding 1 to any number, we can easily get successor of that particular number. It's clear, children? Okay. What is predecessor? The number that comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. You can get the predecessor by subtracting 1 from the number. Okay, children? Now look example. If we simply subtract 1 from the number, we get its predecessor. Look at example 1. Given number is 19. 1 is subtracted to 19. 1 is subtracted to 19. Answer is 18, which is its predecessor. Example 2. Given number is 230. If 1 is subtracted from 230, answer is 229, which is the predecessor of 230. Okay. Example 3. Given number is 2958. If 1 is subtracted from 2958, answer is 2957, which is the predecessor of 2958. Children, it simply means by subtracting 1 from the number, we can easily get predecessor of that particular number. I hope this topic is clear to you. Okay.